I can keep an eye on him if he's concentrating. This is your kind of topic. Uqsim billah. Okay, right. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today's topic that we're going to learn, like I said to you, this is like a jigsaw. All 3 books or all 4 books. There's a 4th one that is out. Every step, every single lesson is taking you closer to understanding or translating verses of the Quran. Today we're going to learn about qasam. Qasam, which is like an oath. The youth are very familiar with this. Every sentence. Wallahi, bruv. Wallahi. But by the way, there's not only one word that you can take qasam on as well. There's billah as well. Tallah as well. It comes in the Quran, tallah. Where does it come? Tallahi laqad arsalna ila umamin min qablik. Taha. Billah as well. But they know, wallahi, if someone's a bit more advanced, then what do they say? Uqsim billah. And when you listen, you think, wow, this guy's a master of the Arabic language. He's saying the same thing as wallah.
What does uqsim mean?
I take an oath.
Oh, okay.
So when you are actually when you translate the qasam itself, that's kind of hidden in that. Yeah? So, uqsim billah, you might see some people that are on YouTube. So it's just like saying wallahi.
If it's preceded by la, so la uqsim bihadha al-balad, does that mean it's the opposite, or is that?
Yeah, that's a separate. That topic is getting into a bit of grammar. Yeah. La uqsimu bi yawm al-qiyamah, la uqsimu bihadha al-balad. That's a total separate. But that's right what you're saying. So, qasam. How do you take an oath in the Arabic language? Number 1 is you have a waw. So far we've learned the waw that connects 2 words and it means and. Yes? Now we are looking at waw which comes for an oath. And this waw comes where? At the beginning. And after that, the noun that will come, it will have a kasra at the end. And the noun that has come after this waw, where Allah has taken an oath, is connected to that word. That qasam is about the word that's coming after. Okay? And it's very simple to understand what's coming after because it's related. The oath that Allah is taking is with the noun that's coming after. Okay? Right. So again, I'll quickly repeat it. Waw comes for qasam, an oath. When does this oath come? At the beginning. After that, the noun, the last letter of that noun will have a kasra. And when you that qasam which Allah has taken is about the noun that's coming after. Okay? Right. And the translation could be I swear by, for example, wallahi, I swear by Allah, or you can say by Allah. Okay? By Allah, by the Quran. I swear by the Quran, by the Quran. So a lot of common in the Quran you'll find by. So that's enough. By, by for translation is enough. Okay? Examples are very simple. I'll give you 2-3 examples to understand. وَالسَّمَاءِ وَالطَّارِقِ. Can you see wow that's come at the beginning? Qasam as-sama'i. Why is the E got a kasra? Because after waw qasam, what happens? The next noun will have a kasra at the end. Let's look at another example. وَالتِّينِ وَالزَّيْتُونِ. Let's look at another example. وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا. Yes? وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَى. Is that okay? Harun?
So translate just by.
Yes.
By, not
I swear by, it's the same by, B-Y, and by the Quran. In other words, I swear by the Quran. Okay?
Would it extend to the second, the third letter as well? So, for example, وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا, would it mean by the sun and the duhaha?
No, it's the first.
Just the first.
Yes. And that is speaking about the sun. Okay. Okay, we're ready to start. One person can translate all this very easy. Most of the words we've done. Whose turn is it? If I do it, then it's going to be really quick. You won't get any. Whose turn is it?
I think it's my turn. Wallahi by Allah, wal Qur'ani by Qur'an.
By the Quran.
Yeah, I about to say that says by the Quran. Yeah. Wal Kitabi by the book, wal Qalami by the pen, wal Bayti by the house, wal Sama'i by the sky, wal Ardi by the earth, wal Shaq by the moon, wal Shamsi by the sun, wal Qamari by the moon, wal Najmi by the stars, wal Yawmi by the day, wal Subhi by the morning, wal Layli by the night, wal Nahari by
The day.
wal Fajri by the dawn,
Dawn, that's right.
wal Asri.
That's when Fajr time begins, isn't it?
wal Asri.
That is what actual morning is. Morning is, we say morning is like 11 o'clock. Morning. That's morning is. One Maulana, he told a man who wanted him to do dam. So he said, come in the morning. He came 10, 11 o'clock, and that Maulana Shaykh al-Hadith was very strict. He was very, very strict. He came 11 o'clock for his dam, and mashallah, Shaykh al-Hadith was, Allah, you know, they had the connection with Allah. He would do dam, Surah Falak, Surah Nas. He came at 11 o'clock, his meter, that's it, just went up. He's like, is this morning? And he said, yeah, this is morning. So he said, I'm going to call a student, 12 years old, and ask him what's morning. So he called him and he said, Fajr time? He said, then he was just saying in Urdu, their mornings at 10, 11 o'clock. Okay, carry on.
Wal Asri by the time, wal Bahri by the sea,
Yes.
wal Turi
By the Tur, you know Mount Tur?
Mount Tur.
Yeah, the Mount Tur is also, some of the Mufassirun have written, there's some mountains that are in this dunya, they're mountains of Jannah, and one of them is Mount Tur. You know, like Mount Uhud as well?
Where is it?
Mount Tur,
Yeah.
Mount Sinai in Egypt.
Oh, it's in Egypt. Okay.
Nowadays, though, you get some people that are having a difference of opinion with that.
Acha.
So Mount Sinai is the famous mountain which is in Egypt. It's about 4 hours away from Sham. At the end border, you know where the Red Sea is, where Firaun and his army drowned? It's about 4 hours away from there. It's a trip.
Is it like a big mountain? Which is
It's massive, absolutely. I've been there,
Acha.
up there as well. So it took a long time,
Hiking.
all the way to the top. So you go at night. So it takes 4 hours to get there, and then not to get to the mountain. And then from there, you start your journey at like 12 at night. And then you get there Fajr time, 5:30, 6. Stop in the middle for little breaks. Up, keep going. There's about 300-400 people with you.
Above the clouds and at the end for
Yeah, the main thing is then just seeing that sunset.
sunrise.
So night time is it because of heat, toward the heat?
Yes.
Oh, acha, yeah.
Okay, next.
Well,
Sorry, you know, wasub, is that the just after the dawn, after the fajr, or when the sun comes out? Sub.
Yes, that's sub as well. By morning.
So by morning we mean fajr.
By dawn,
That's dawn. Okay.
yes.
The same because
So after dawn is.
Yeah.
Just after
So when after the sun has risen.
Yes.
Sunrise.
وهذا البلد. Is this going to be I swear as well, or is this and this city? Is a bit, are you trying to trick me out here? وهذا البلد.
And this.
So this is not I swear by, is it? They're just trying to trick us out here.
1 second. والتين والزيتون وطور سينين وهذا. So no, this is an oath as well. If you look from there, والتين والزيتون is carrying on. وطور سينين وهذا البلد الأمين. They all follow oaths.
And I swear by the city as well.
Yes.
I swear by this city.
So these are all 4 oaths. والتين والزيتون وطور سينين وهذا البلد الأمين.
So if you remove the word haza from it and just said wal balad, would it make a difference to the swearing, to the oath?
No.
I swear by this city. This is saying this city, innit? I swear by this city rather than this city.
This city.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's showing you more emphasis on Makkah.
This
So
one,
if you actually took that hada out
Yeah.
and the city, but Allah is saying Makkah is so special, this city.
This city.
it must be a Mukki surah then.
So I swear by this city.
This city, look, this Makkah. Okay.
What's Saqfi?
Well, Saqf usually means roof, but over here it means the sky.
Sky.
Sorry,
I swear.
can I ask a question again? So, in the first example, you said, what dini was zaytun? The qasam is for both of them, for the fig and the olive. And in washamsi wa duhaha, it's not for both of them?
والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها.
This explanation of the, I think.
Okay, let me give you an answer to that after. Okay? Take. Let's just finish this. I'll give you an answer.
What's Saqfi?
By the sky.
By the sky. What dini? By the fig. What zaytuni? By the olive. What shaf'i?
Okay, 2 words. والشفعي and والوتري. Shaf is water is a odd night. Shaf is a even night.
Even night, odd night.
And I'll explain to you a little bit.
Even.
So what does it mean by odd night and even, just to make it easy? According to the Mufassirun, where it comes water, that's why it's called witr. It's an odd number in it as well when you play. Yeah? 3 is odd. Yeah? And water means odd night. This refers to, the Mufassirun mention, is the night of Arafah. Okay? It's, and what night is that? On what, what's the date? Is that odd or even? Odd. And Shaf is like the 10th of Dhul Hijjah, which means even 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay? In Surah Al-Fajr, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَالْفَجْرِ وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ وَالشَّفْعِ وَالْوَتْرِ وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَسْرِ. Yeah? So he's continuing where Allah is speaking about dawn, and by dawn, وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ is speaking about the 10 nights of Dhul Hijjah. Then وَالشَّفْعِ وَالْوَتْرِ. There's other commentary that has come as well, but that's one example.
It must be powerful days basically, which is why it's referring to that.
Very, very. The most best days in the year. The nights of Dhul Hijjah. Allahu Akbar. Okay.
I thought Balad means country. Yeah, city.
Balad does mean country, but it can come for city as well. So in the Quran, where it's come more for city in Makkah. Yeah? So in Arabic, Balad does mean country, but it can come for city as well. And so it's come in the Quran as city, that's why we're using city. So because we're doing words from the Quran, so we're going to use that. That's why when I translated, I said put / city and country, so you don't get confused. Okay. Whose turn is it? Hafiz Harun, you need to translate. وَالْعَصْرِ إِنَّ الْإِنسَانَ لَفِي خُسْرٍ.
Oh, we haven't done the kitab wa kitabin.
Okay, so now without alif lam, so it's very easy. And by a book, Wa nafsin, and by a soul. Wa walidin, and by a father. Wa shahidin, and by a witness. Next, translate this, please. Wal asri, Hafiz Hamza, you just.
والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر. By the time, indeed, mankind لفي is in loss.
Yeah. Or again, lam is comfort. Again, indeed in a loss. Yes. Okay.
All right. Sorry. Yeah. It's right.
So
Indeed.
the confidence that has come for you to translate that is just broken from every lesson that you've done in it to get here.
I think someone did this before actually. I remember.
Okay, next. Hafiz Harun, can you spot all of the wow qasams in these verses? Read the ayat and tell us. Where's the qasam, wow qasam there? والسماء. Okay, next.
والقرآن الحكيم والقرآن.
Keep going.
كلا والقمر والليل إذ أدبر والصبح إذا أسفر والقمر والليل والصبح.
Okay, carry on.
والطور وكتاب مسطور والطور وكتاب.
What is it?
Should I close?
Yeah, it is.
والله
Rabbina. Seems like you haven't done the seventh father in a while. Does it? Taha, what does it say? Yeah.
It's basically it's not a different way.
Taha, what does it say? Is it Rabbana? What's written in the book? Rabbina. The shadda, look underneath the shadda, there's a kasra, isn't there?
It's not underneath the letter itself, it's underneath
The shadda, that's how it is.
the W. Do you know what I mean? So for example,
What is that?
you know, look at the lady here. That zebra is on top of the thing in it. If you look at the it's obviously not Quran and probably not a bit more, but different Quran styles.
Okay, come on.
ربنا ما كنا مشركين والله والليل وما وسق والقمر إذا اتسق.
Yeah.
إذا اتسق والليل والقمر والطور وكتاب مسطور في رق منشور والبيت المعمور والسقف المرفوع والبحر المسجور والطور
وكتاب as well.
وكتاب
والبيت.
والسقف والبحر.
Yes. Is that clear?
So you can tell the difference when it's an and and a by in it.
Yes.
Because the and one will have a zebra or a patient with them, and if the promise one will have a zip.
It's more like in the beginning.
It could be both, then it could be if you do, after one person you say what to buy non-tour, there's a working and buy the book,
Yes.
buy a book as well.
Hmm.
Could be both.
It can be there, but mostly it's in the beginning of the verses. Okay, next. Al-kitabu anna al-kitaba. Okay, so now anna comes in the Quran many times. Okay, anna, indeed, the meaning, or it can come that as well. Okay, in some translations it comes that, or indeed. So what happens when the word anna, after that the noun will have a fatha on the last letter of the noun. Soon as you've got that, let's start. أن الماء indeed the water, أن الأرض indeed the earth, أن العذاب indeed the punishment. That okay, let's move on. أن الله indeed Allah, أن الرسول indeed the messenger, أن الحق indeed the truth, أن القوة indeed the power, أن الماء indeed the water, أن الأرض indeed the earth, أن العذاب indeed the punishment, أن الساعة indeed the hour, أن الناس indeed mankind, أن صالحا indeed Salih عليه السلام, وأن المساجد indeed the masajid, أن الفلك indeed the ship. All words we've done before. Okay. If you remember, yes.
Sorry, Allah Salih. Isn't that
No. This Salih that's come is referring to the Prophet.
and it's the same as inna. Because inna was indeed as well.
Yes.
Again, Urdu Masala says K. K Pani and K you translate as that. So in all of this in the chapter there,
Both can come. That can come as well. And indeed. So Anna, two translations. That can come as well. Both of them can come. They can be translated as indeed. Because inna, anna is from one family. You know, like we said inna. In Arabic grammar, inna, anna, lakinna is all from one family. They have the same thing that they do to the ism and the khabar.
Verily and indeed.
Yeah. So of that, both translations can come. Like ke pani, ke zameen, ke azab. That's one. That water, that earth, that punishment.
Inna and inna is the same as well.
Inna is indeed, inna is we.
Okay.
What we indeed.
Yeah, we.
Just we.
Yeah. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. It comes as we, as like where Allah is referring. We sent this Quran.
is it two together? Inna and na together. Inna.
Is noon alif.
Indeed, we.
Yeah. Noon alif there is come for we, and that inna is for the indeed.
So there's anna as well, the same thing we.
Anna.
That's also we.
Yeah. That innana. Yeah. But where does that come? I can't think of any sentence that's come like that. Can you think of something?
No inna ma with the meme.
Yeah, innama. That's completely different.
Oh, okay.
So inna, indeed, we. Or it can be translated as we. Comes for authority. Okay? Right, okay, let's move on. أن الحق لله. Remember one thing we've done, lam, it comes for something where it belongs to someone as well. Yeah? We've done that before. Lam can come for belonging when we did it previously. So أن الحق لله. So we'll translate this as that we've done indeed before, because they both can come. That the truth belongs to Allah or is for Allah. أن الرسول حق, that the messenger,
Possession, that's what it is.
yeah, possession, we've done that. أن الرسول حق, that the messenger or indeed the messenger is right. أن القوة لله جميعا, that or indeed the power belongs or is for Allah totally. Jami'an is total. أن الله بريء, indeed, or that Allah. So bari'un comes like one meaning is free, another meaning is disassociated. In the Quran, Surah براءة من الله ورسوله إلى الذين عاهدتم من المشركين فسيحوا في الأرض 4 أشهر واعلموا أنكم غير معجز الله وأن الله مخزي الكافرين وأذان من الله ورسوله إلى الناس يوم الحج الأكبر أن الله بريء من المشركين ورسوله. Allah is disassociated from the polytheists and His Messenger. There's no association with them. The literal meaning is free. وَأَنَّ الْمَسَاجِدَ لِلَّهِ, and that the masajid are for Allah. Like I said, lamb as well belong to Allah. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ سَمِيعٌ عَلِيمٌ, that Allah is all hearing and all knowing. وَأَنَّ السَّاعَةَ آتِيَةٌ, and indeed the hour shall come, آتِيَةٌ shall come. أَنَّ اللَّهَ سَمِيعٌ عَلِيمٌ, indeed Allah is all listening, all knowing. أَنَّ اللَّهَ عَزِيزٌ حَكِيمٌ, indeed Allah is the mighty and the most wise. أَنَّ اللَّهَ غَفُورٌ حَلِيمٌ, indeed Allah is the most forgiving, the forbearing. أَنَّ اللَّهَ غَنِيٌّ حَمِيدٌ, indeed Allah is the self-sufficient, the praiseworthy. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ تَوَّابٌ حَكِيمٌ, and that Allah is, what does tawwab mean? We've done it before.
Give.
The most forgiving and the most wise. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ سَمِيعٌ بَصِيرٌ, and that Allah is all listening, all watching. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ رَءُوفٌ رَحِيمٌ, and that Allah is the most compassionate, the most merciful. أَنَّ صَالِحًا مُرْسَلٌ, indeed Salih alayhi salam was a messenger or was sent.
Was آتية وأن الساعة آتية.
Indeed the hour shall come or will come.
آتية means come.
Yes. But you can't say the hour come, innit? The hour will come.
Will come.
Brother Musa, is that okay? Should we do 3 more sides or call it a day? Next week, inshallah, just 10. Next week, inshallah, our aim is we want to finish this unit. It's too long now. Finish this unit.